Number 3, give an example of each of the following types of solutions. And then we have letter A. So what type of solution would be a gas in a liquid? Now, here I gave a chart of a lot of different types of solutions, right? Whether it's air, soft drinks, hydrogen and palladium, rubbing alcohol, salt water, or brass. But we just have to figure out which one of these would be classified a gas in a liquid. Well, the first thing that we have to figure out is which one is the solute and which one is the solvent. Now, if we actually counted the number of letters that's in a solute, there's 2, 4, 6 letters here. And for solvent, there are 7 letters. So we'll say 6 letters and 7 letters. So the easy way to find out which one is a solute and which one is a solvent is that since the solute is the lower number of letters, the solute is always going to be the smaller thing, and the solvent is always going to be the larger thing. And together, when solute and solvent come together, you make the solution, which is 8 letters, and that's the largest thing. So, if you're placing a gas into a liquid, you're always going to place the smaller thing into a larger thing. So, the gas, in this case, is going to be your solute because you're placing it into the bigger thing. So, the gas is the smaller, and the liquid is the solvent because it's the larger one of the two. So now I just have to find out, well, which one has a gas as a solute and which one has a liquid as a solvent. And let's see. I have a gas here, but the solvent is a gas. But I have a gas as my solute, and I have a liquid as my solvent. So there is your example. The example is a soft drink in which they pump in CO2 gas into water. And that's where you get those, when you open it up, that's where you get all those bubbles. But that is the answer for this one. And pretty easy peasy. So hopefully this helped. Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for viewing the video. Subscribe to the channel if you want to help us out. Thank you. And I hope you're having a great day out there. Keep studying hard, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.